Somalia's agriculture has thrived despite the years of conflict, and that's due to resilience and discipline of the farmers here. Afgoye farmers have been trying new things each year, and they've now made a huge discovery that solar panels are not just for rooftops. They've invited power companies to install massive solar panels in their farms.
The solar system works using the sun. It changes energy from photons to electrical energy that would be used for pumping water from the river and for also irrigating farms as well as many other farm uses.
And it's paid off well. Farmers here now control energy costs. Pumping water will not need fuel anymore, and they could still get adequate irrigation even when drought hits.
More reliable. Solar energy is more reliable. It uses natural sunlight. The diesel generator requires constant fueling. So in terms of sustainability, the solar system is way more effective.
Crop production here is usually determined by rainfall and weather seasons. But if the solar systems work, that won't be the case any longer. Agricultural farming, processing and storage here have high and variable energy needs. Developers build panels on roofs to generate adequate energy for pumping water, storage and even simple processing. This, though, is a pilot project. If it works, it could be a major breakthrough in Somalia's farming ways. Mohamed Irrigate, CCTV, Mogadishu.